In this video, we'll walk through the installation process for the new Windows 11 25 H2 update. Essentially, this is a clean install method where you create a bootable USB drive and perform a fresh installation of Windows 11 25 H2. We'll go step by step and explore all the changes Microsoft has introduced in this upcoming version, expected to be officially released next month. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Stepwise Academy channel with the notification bell on so you don't miss future tutorials. Let's get started. First, we choose our language settings. I'll keep everything as English and click Next. For the keyboard layout, I'm leaving it as US. Next, select Install Windows 11 and accept the license terms. This will erase all files, apps, and settings, so make sure you've backed up anything important. Here, I'll select I don't have a product key, as you can always enter your license after installation. Windows will prepare a few things before moving on. Accept the license agreement, then set up disk partitions. I'll create a single partition on the unallocated space. Click Apply, and Windows will also create a few system partitions, such as the MSR reserved and system partitions. Select the main partition. Mine is about 80 gigabytes, and click Next. This gives you a summary of your choices. Windows 11 Pro, keeping nothing, and then click Install. The installation process will begin. While it's similar to previous versions, 25H2 includes a few updates, especially in the out-of-the-box experience section. Your computer may restart a few times during this process. Just leave it on and wait patiently. After restarting, you'll enter the out-of-the-box setup. Select your region, confirm the keyboard layout, and skip adding a second layout. Windows will check for updates a few times. Next, name your device. Mine will be Home. Then continue. That's the full Windows 11 25 H2 installation process as it stands. After this, you can install drivers and other software as needed. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to TechBase with the notification bell on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.